for today's ganap, pupunta kami sa bahay ng tatay ni Jowa. Kasi i-discuss nila kung ano ang gagawin sa Father's Day. So, yun. Nasaan na ba sila? So, ito ang ating ganap for today's video. Naka-long sleeve pa ako kasi malamig pa. Pero hindi na ako mag-jacket. Yun lang. Wait, tawagin natin sila. Let's go.
Okay.
Let him walk, baby. Uh-oh.
Maximus.
Maximus, that's shoe, not Maximus.
Well, we go to Alpha, we come back then. You gotta go the key?
We go to Al's and then we come back.
Yeah.
You got the key, baby, yeah?
Hello. Hello.
Hello, camera. Did you put it in my bag? Wait, let me check. Yeah, I have it.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to Al's straight away.
No, you first go to Sanya.
No, I know, after.
Why are you filming me?
Because it's my vlog. You gotta be there. Go, help me with the stroller. Don't just look at me. Wow, nice weather today.
It's cold.
Bye-bye.
So, yes. Pupunta rin pala kami ng Al's kasi bibili kami ng pag-gift for the Father's Day.
Okay, hot papas and hot papas.
Why you filming me daw? Sabi ng jowa.
Julian, hot papas and hot papas.
Say hello. You gotta hold Papa's hand. Ay. No, no, no.
Wat hebben we gezegd? Hey, wat hebben we gezegd?
Hold Papa's hand. There's cars, okay? Okay. Ang ganda ng panahon, guys. Super sunny. Super sunny. But, it's sunny but it's windy, ah.
Yeah.
My God. It should be nice already but it's windy. Okay. So, naka-long sleeve lang kami. Hindi na kami nag-jacket. Paalis na kami, malamig pa din. Ano ba yan? Hindi man lang nag-summer. Hindi ko alam kung pupunta pa kami sa may ocean view. Ocean view. Yes. Kasi, kung malamig dito, mas malamig doon. Kasi north side yun. Hi!
Stop.
Stop! Go! Big boy? Are you a big boy? Ayun, nagpapahawak ng kamay. Wala masyadong sasakyan dito, kaya... Go! Go straight, baby! Go straight! Oh! Your son. So... Go! You're not. What's that?
Okay.
Airplane, yeah. Engine, yeah. Oh, say. Boom, boom. Say bye-bye, airplane. Ang saya ng bagets pag nakakalabas ng bahay. He's so happy when we're outside. Palibot. Palibot yan, Julian. Wow. Are these lavenders? There's a lot of bees there. So nice. There's a lot of bees there, Julian. Go to Papa. Pa-smell ka pa. I don't think they're lavenders, no? Something different. There's a lot of bees. Julian, go! Go! There's a lot of bees there. Yeah, I know. There's a lot of bees. Go to Papa! Ang kulit ang bagets. Pop up. It's okay. It's okay, baby. Hold Papa's hand. There's gonna be cars there, okay?
Hot papas and hot papas.
Ang dami nilang flowers, sa garden. Maganda kasi weather dito, eh. Ay, nako. Pasi later, okay? Yuk. Yung mga bahay na binibenta ko.
Hey.
There's car, ah. Yeah, yuk. Yeah. Go na, go. Go to Papa. Where's the plane? Meron na naman nakitang airplane.
Yeah, come.
Saan mo na? Go to Papa! Ang daming stopover ng anak ko. Go. Go to Papa.
Time.
Yeah. Go. Babe, your son. So, itong mga apat na ito, malapit kinagram, binibenta nila. Pero may kamahalan din kasi yun eh, mga kalahati lang. 400,000 din yan eh. Kaya, wala pa tayong perang pambili. Hoy, where you going? Grass, I know. Go here.
Come.
This is not a field trip. When we gonna arrive there? Go to Papa. Go. Go to Papa.
Wow.
Come on. Ang daming stopover ng anak. Hoy, let's go. Bye-bye, Julian. Ay. Come here.
There's a car there.
Yeah.
Julian, come.
Init na rin in fairness. Nihingal ako. Buti na nag-sunscreen tayo. Wow. Sunscreen. So, yung bahay ng tatay ni Jowa. Malapit lang. 5 minutes walk lang. Tatagal lang kami kay Julian. Ito yung bahay nila. Karga na siya ng tatay niya kasi maraming sasakyan eh. Ito yung bahay ng tatay niya. So, yan. Yung bahay nila, yung parang orange. Yan. Okay. Hindi na ako mag-vlog doon. Nakakahiya naman. Wow, ang hangin. So, mga bahay dito walang gate. Dire-diretso lang tayo. Pumasok. Your dad is here. No? He's using the white car, your dad, no? So, ito na kami. Ito na kami. There's the night. Ito na kami, guys. Okay, mamaya na lang. Come!
Julian, come. Come.
Say bye-bye. Say, oy. Say bye-bye already. We're gonna go.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you later.
Stop things.
Tutsings.
Julian can walk later, okay? Like, stop me. Wait, but then
What?
we gotta pass by Auntie Carla and then you know please leave us.
Okay.
Stay there. So.
Dito na daw kami dumaan para hindi na kami makita nung iba niya kamag-anak. Sharing. So, tinanong ni Jowa kung anong gusto ng tatay niya sa Father's Day dun sa stepmother niya. Sabi, pabango na lang daw. So, dito na lang kami bibili. Hindi na kami pupunta ng house. Yes. Tapos, maglalakad-lakad na lang kami dito. Kasi kailangan ding mag-work ni Jowa. So, yun. Ang sarap ng hangin. Malamig. Malamig na mainit. Ang pakiramdam. So, nag-discuss lang sila kung anong gagawin sa Sunday lunch para sa Father's Day. Kasi magpe-prepare si Jowa ng mga pa-side dishes. Let's see. Sobrang ganda ng panahon today. It's nice weather for walking, babe? Super nice weather. Thankfully, the kid here, the other person here wants to ride his stroller. Julian? Yes. Yeah. So, naglakad kami dito. Kasi gusto niya daw bilhin itong piece of land na to. Ayan. Just a piece of land. How much is that?
I don't know.
Did you look? You gotta look. Yes. So, balak din kasi namin mag-invest dito sa Belgium. Kasi 'di ba tapos na yung bahay namin. Konti na lang yung papagawa namin sa bahay namin sa Pilipinas. So, we're thinking kung bibili ba kami ng apartment or small house or just a small lot. Wala pa kaming pera, mag-iipon pa kami, pero yun yung mga balak namin for the future. Kasi 'di ba, instead of nakastay lang sa bank, you put it somewhere else that increase in value. May ganon. So yun, kaya pala dinaan niya ako dito sa eskinita na to kasi gusto daw niyang tingnan tong piece of lot na to. Pero ang gusto talaga namin bilhin, yung kina grandpa and grandma. Kaso mahal yun eh. Malawak yun eh. Siguro nasa 500, 600,000 yun. Lord, kailangan ko magtrabaho para ma-afford namin. No, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oo na lang siya. I said I need to work so we can buy something here, right? Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. How much is it? It's supposed to be... Yung mga nakapost dito, meron naman silang website para makita namin yung mga prices. It's not too bad. If you wanted to do like a parking. Kasi sabi niya sa akin, gusto niyang bilhin daw to.
But it doesn't say in the website.
Ah,
I should call and
yeah. Call and ask for the reference.
yeah.
Siyempre, it's good din na may investment kami dito sa Belgium. Not everything in the Philippines. Right, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see. Tatawagan na lang daw niya kasi hindi daw nakalagay sa website kung magkano. But the other place that you saw, there was a price, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Pero balak namin, dito lang kami sa Lidl bibili. Are you okay? Are you doing okay, Julian? Dead. Are you doing okay?
This one.
This one. What's this one? Yeah. Okay. What do you want, my love ko? For Father's Day.
What they have for Father's Day.
Sige. Sige, my love. Oh. Inatanong ko siya kung anong gusto niya. Ito daw ang gusto niya. Yan. Pang-barbecue yan eh. Paano naman namin yan iuuwi, di ba? Tsaka for sure, wala
Look,
pa
that's
akong
a
budget
grill.
dyan. What?
You buy me the grill then.
This one?
It's with electricity, right?
Yeah, I think so. Ito daw.
I don't know.
Inside the house?
Yeah. Or outside.
I thought you're gonna build something at the back.
Wait, we'll look okay.
Yeah. Say that again, sir.
I forgot what I said.
So that it's on record. Say that again. Come on.
Buy me this lamp gun or what? I don't know. We'll go inside later.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Ano daw? Ano daw kailangan niya kung nasa kanya na everything? Wow! Ay, but you don't want to say it again. They don't believe me now. They won't believe me that
No.
you said that.
Compliment yourself to me.
But you're the one who said that.
Let's have a look in here.
Why? What's in there? What's in there?
Also, a piece of land is for sale. I
Ah.
saw that just now.
Okay. They're selling a lot of piece of land here.
Yeah.
How
Or was it
come?
the house? I'm not sure.
How come? Malapit lang talaga to kina grandma and grandpa, no? This is so near in your grandparents' house. Like
Yeah.
5 minutes walk.
Yeah.
Yeah. Gusto niya yung ganun, yung malapit lang sa grandparents niya. So, kahit wala kami dito, may mag-aayos, di ba? No, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oo lang siya ng oo. What?
Nothing.
Why you keep on looking that way? There's nothing in there. No, Julian?
Look like shutters like that.
Yeah, I told you. Ito mga ganitong shutters. Gusto namin. Just ask your dad to buy for us and send them in a box.
Yeah.
Kasi balak namin palagyan ng ganyan sa bahay. Kasi mas safe pag may shutters. Kasi sa Pilipinas, hindi ko makita kung saan. Diba? Yung mga ganyan, may mga shutters. Diba? Yeah, I don't see no. Usually there is like a post, like a tarpaulin.
So how are you gonna pay for my father's
Here. But we don't see it.
You can't see it.
It's on the other side. Ito.
Look.
Look. How much is that? Nakita daw niya sa website. How big is it?
So it's this
And this
with that
house?
thing garage.
Garage.
And
Okay.
then this.
Okay.
It's actually not that small, huh?
Yeah, how big is it?
To
Know that the number.
a 30 centi 2 acres.
What 2 acres? That's wrong, babe. Doesn't look like 2 acres, this. Anyway, it's 125 and then what? 15%?
What's this?
So yun. Titingnan namin.
1 acre is 10 by 10, so 100 square meters, so 200 square meters.
Okay. Wow, a lot Di ba ang mahal? 200 square meter. 125. Nasa 6 million. That's 6 million pesos,
Not bad, huh?
Yeah, but how much we got a down payment? Like 15%? 30%? Parang ganun yung mga par rates.
And 30 CA, so it's
Dito yung straight.
you paid it in 20 years. Huh?
Yeah,
So let's say you want to pay it in 5 years.
yeah,
That's 35 and 2,000 a month.
yeah. Wow. 35,000 yung down payment. 2,000 monthly in 5 years.
You know, we could, after my tips, just buy a piece of land like this. Why not in the middle of and it's also it's accessible by car,
Yeah.
and there's no really traffic here.
Yeah. Babe, if you want, I'll just support you. What
Just
you
as
want.
an investment.
Yeah. 2,000 monthly. Yeah. We could. If you want. We gotta save money first. Okay? Okay, that's it. Ang mahal. There's a old well there, babe.
It's just decoration.
Really? You want that for decoration for your house? But it looks nice, huh? Yeah, kind of fits the interior. Ay, it's almost low, but my camera.